Hey guys, welcome back! Now for this episode, we'll be checking out yet another awesome controller mod from our friends from eXtremeRate. The FaceMag replacement magnetic front shell for the Xbox Series S X controller is one of eXtremeRate's latest product. Basically, when installed, this mod allows you to change the front shell of your controller in mere seconds, simple and hassle-free. There are a wide range of color options and designs that you could choose from, and quick and easy change the look of your Xbox controller. So guys, let's get started! eXtremeRate were kind enough to send over 5 of their FaceMag replacement front shell designs. So let's check them out and see what's inside the package. Aside from the front shells, we also got couple sets of interchangeable ergonomic thumbsticks for the Xbox Series S and X and Xbox One controllers. The thumbsticks are on sale right now on eXtremeRate's website, and you might also want to check them out. Now let's grab one of the FaceMag front shells and check what we got. Here we have the matte black front shell along with 2 black accent rings. And as with all the other eXtremeRate products, you got everything necessary including spare screws, prying tool to disassemble the controller, and 3 types of screwdrivers. Here are all the screws and magnets that we'll be installing in just a bit. And here are some of the other just gorgeous looking front shell color designs. That's the chameleon purple-blue design, which is probably my favorite one. In this close-up footage, you can really see the individual pearls in the paint changing color between blue and purple, and it just looks awesome in my opinion. If you're not a fan of that more flashy design, we have the scarlet red, the matte neon green, which also looks quite good and provides plenty of grip thanks to the matte finish. Now I know many of you are kind of intimidated when it comes to disassembling and fiddling with your controller, but the installation process for the FaceMag is really simple and it shouldn't take us more than 3 to 4 minutes. So to disassemble the Xbox controller, first we have to remove the left and right hand grips using the provided prying tool. We also have to remove the battery cover, as there's another screw hidden underneath the label. So there are a total of just 5 screws we have to remove. Once we've done that, we can separate the front and back shells. We'll leave the controller aside just for now and we focus on the replacement front shells. So guys, basically what you have to do is screw the 5 small black screws that are provided along with the magnets on the front shell, as you see right here. Let's grab the matte black shell and see how it's done. This is the small black screw that we have to thread through the magnet, basically like a small washer. We have to do that 5 times for all the screws, and that's all we have to do with the front shell. Next, on the original backplate, we have to install this metal piece that has a thread for the screw to screw in, and that's basically a metal piece that will make contact with one of the magnets on the front plate that we just installed. The second and third metal pieces are installed in similar fashion on the top 2 holes on the controller. And the last 2 pieces we have to install on the bottom part of the controller hand grips. And there we go guys, we're pretty much done. We installed all the essential metal parts that would make contact with the magnets. The last thing that we have to do is screw the last T8H screws. Once we pop back the hand grips and the battery cover, we're ready to try some of the front shells and see how they look and fit on the controller. First, let's try the neon green shell. The magnets do their work brilliantly, and it just snaps into place. As you can see, the fit is just perfect. We have no visible gaps whatsoever, so no complaints about the build quality. Now, if you want to change the faceplate, simply lift it. It takes a bit of force since the magnets are pretty strong. Then you just snap your other faceplate into place. If you want something less dramatic, you can get the matte black front shell. It also looks really nice and fits very well in your hands. This scarlet red also looks really good. And while we're at it, let's change the thumbsticks too with the replacement white ones. I hope you guys like this product. You can check out eXtremeRate store for many more gaming accessories. All the links will be in the video description. As always, thank you all for watching and see you guys in the next video.